Hello, this is a video on the Hiatt Model 115 Darby handcuffs. These cuffs are stamped Hiatt on the hose, and then on one of the cuffs, stamped British made. These cuffs are lightweight. They are non-magnetic. They have a screw key. They unlock by the screw in there. This is the original key. And what happens is basically just like the 101s. There's a metal bar in here, and there's a spring, and when you key in there and you turn it, it takes the bar and pushes it down, and then you can open it. These cups were made around 1950 to 1975 to 80, in that general area. I don't know the exact time. The chain link has two little round links, and then two more links, and then a swivel between them. They are adjustable 5 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're fairly small compared to the 101s. They unlock by taking the key and putting it in the keyhole. You gotta turn it, and unlock. You just take the key out. You just snap it shut. And that is my video on the Model 115 Darbys.